All right, this video is for the small business owner that does not have a lot of time and just needs quick edit information and would like to edit text that they have on their website. Go to the page you like, click on Edit Elementor with Elementor. When you get to that page, scroll to whatever edit function you need for the text. So for instance, this is the text that I need to edit here. These are all icon text here, icon boxes. I'm going to click on this. It's going to pop up in the widgets bar, and then I can go in here and either add description to this icon widget, or I can change the wording here. So change it. I just wanted to add guides. I've got copywriting creation guides. And that's it. Simple, easy, but that's the type of stuff you're looking for. If you see something that just not quite worded right and you don't want to contact your web development guy, or it's just faster for you to do it, that's it. Hit publish and you're done.